Hello students. So today once again a new video on creative writing, and this is one of the important and compulsory questions, classified advertisements. And under classified advertisements I have given 9 advertisements, though we have maybe 2 or 3 more, but these are the 9 advertisements which are very important in boards. When we talk about classified advertisements, one thing we have to remember that classified advertisements means public announcement made through newspapers, TV, radio or any other mode. Okay, when we want to announce something publicly, then we give this advertisement under classified advertisement. And when we talk about classified advertisement, our marks are allocated according to this. Means format is taken into consideration, then content and then expression. So here format, when we talk about format, what includes? Format includes box, means every question should be in box. And secondly, format includes type of advertisement, means heading. You are to give the heading. Like here, this first advertisement is situation vacant. So this you are to remember that format is very important, box is needed and then heading is needed. And when we talk about classified advertisement, one more thing which you are to remember, that here no diagram, no illustration is required. Okay, that's why this is classified advertisement. So no illustration, no diagram. Now, when we come to situation vacant or situation wanted or any other, these 9, we can say kinds of advertisements are here. We are to first of all remember the heading. Okay, we have to put the heading, and this heading better if you put in capitals. And if you do not put in capitals, if you have written in running hand, then you can underline, okay, this heading. So when we are preparing any kind of advertisement, this is one of the common things which we are to remember, that we are to give heading here, like situation vacant, situation wanted, to let or rent, etc. Okay, this way. Now we take all these one by one. When we come to this situation vacant, what you are to learn for situation vacant? First of all, you should know the beginning word, because when we get some advertisement, when we start writing the advertisement, sometime we forget how to start and then we start anyway, which is actually maybe not acceptable. So it is always advisable that you should know the first word or beginning word or beginning of the advertisement. So when you need situation vacant, means when you are the boss, suppose you are the principal and you need teacher, and then only you will be giving this advertisement in the newspaper, okay, for some teacher, because you require a teacher in your school. That's why your first word would be required. Okay, in the same, and then ending always should be contact details. This is common for all. Okay, in every kind of advertisement you are to give contact details, because if you give everything but then there is no contact details, then what is the use of this advertisement? So that's why this is very important ending. Okay, contact detail. Now when we are writing any advertisement, there are certain things which you are to remember. When we talk about situation vacant or situation wanted, we are to remember certain things. That situation vacant, where principal requires a teacher. And when we talk about situation wanted, then a candidate requires a job of a teacher. Okay, but in both the advertisements, few things are common. Now we come to this value points. When we are writing advertisements, we come to value points. First value point, which is needed in every kind of advertisement, this value point is use some adjectives. When you are starting your, we can say with the beginning word, when you are starting your advertisement, first of all, more or less in each and every kind of advertisement, your adjectives are required. Like here, required one energetic and qualified teacher. Okay, and here situation wanted, when you are searching for a job, then you will be using the word available. Your beginning word would be available, and then you would be saying available one energetic and experienced tutor. Okay, means adjective you are to put here. To let or for rent. What is to let? Means when you are to give your house on rent. So it can be either to let or for rent. Both are correct. Then what you would be writing? Available a sun facing airy second floor, airy house. So sun facing and airy adjective. Okay, so you will be using. Again, accommodation wanted. You need a house, so you will say wanted an airy house, park facing house. Okay, this is adjective, and this is the main thing you need. In the same way, when we are talking about matrimonial ad, okay, in matrimonial ad also, when you are starting word would be alliance or proposal invited. Now, when we talk about matrimonial ad, one thing you should remember, that it can be either groom wanted or bride wanted. Most of the time, this heading is given in the question, that write your advertisement under groom wanted or under bride wanted. So it means under and then name of the column, it means this name of the column is your heading. But sometime, suppose it is not given. Okay, it is not given under what? Under either groom wanted or bride wanted, and you are confused. What to write? Groom wanted or bride wanted? If ever you are confused, even for 1%, then better you go for another word, that is matrimonial. This matrimonial is, we can say, universal word for bride wanted as well as for groom wanted. So whenever you have some confusion, better you go with only one word, matrimonial. It will be more than enough. And then this is the beginning word, alliance invited. And if you forget the spelling of alliance, any doubt, then come to the other word, proposals invited. Better you learn the spelling, otherwise proposals invited. Now proposals invited, again adjective, which we say first point. Proposals invited for well educated girl. Okay, well educated. So again, one word at least should be there. When we come over here, lost and found, means if you have lost something or if you have found something. Both come under this only, lost and found. Here, your first word would be either lost or found. Suppose lost. Lost a black briefcase or found a black briefcase. So this black is your adjective. Okay, something you have written about this briefcase. Then we come to sale and purchase. Sale and purchase or vehicles, means second-hand vehicles. So whether you want to sell your car or you want to purchase a second-hand car, it comes under sale and purchase. So your beginning word would be either available. If you are selling, then available. If you want a car, second-hand car, then wanted. Then here also you will be giving adjective, means available a black color Maruti. Black color. So this is something which you are talking about, Maruti. Then only you will be going into detail. Then when we are talking about missing, it can be missing a human being or missing a pet. Okay, both missing. Then when you are writing missing, you will be starting here this way only. Missing since April 10, a young boy. Okay, young. This is enough. A young boy of 10, a young boy of 14. Okay, or if this is pet, then missing any pet you can write down. Missing a black color Labrador. So this can be your adjective. In the same way, travels and tours. Okay, here adjective will be attractive packages. Actually, this is travel tour, so this will be attractive. So this way, directly you will be starting with your beginning word, and then at least one or two adjectives you should put. So this is first value point. Then we come to second point. That is when here first and second means situation vacant and situation wanted. Firstly, I am talking about these two. We have started required and energetic and experienced. Okay, this we have written. Then you are to then talk about gender. Actually, better you learn this hierarchy, practice this hierarchy. Means you have written, you have started required, one, energetic and experienced female teacher below 25. Okay, means age. First of all, you will be giving gender, female teacher or male teacher. Then age below 25. Okay, and then name of the post. For the post of PGT Bio. Okay, so or for the post of science teacher. Okay, name of the post. When you have talked this much, you required female, age you have given, then name of the post you have given, then you will be talking about qualification. Means as a principal, what qualifications you are looking for in the candidate. Okay, so masters in biology or masters in physics from DU or whatever. So this way qualification you are to write. Along with this qualification means masters plus B.Ed. Okay, this you will be writing. Then other skills means your USP. Knowledge of foreign languages or mastery or command over English or command over computers. This kind of thing you are to write. Okay, not only graduation or B.Ed, you write some other skills also. Okay, which you are looking for in the candidate. And then next is experience. How much experience you are expecting in the candidate, with at least 2 years experience or with at least 1 year experience, whatever experience you are looking for. And then you will be talking about pay scale, means what pay scale you are going to offer. Okay, you can talk about negotiable. Okay, salary negotiable, this also 2 words will be enough. Or salary according to grades, this you can write. Okay, or good package or handsome salary, whatever. This way you will be writing about salary here only. And then mode of applying, how to apply. You can say walk-in interview or interview on next Saturday or next Sunday or send your biodata, whatever. And then last, contact details. This is same for this second ad also, but here you are searching for a job, but in the same way you will be talking about yourself. Okay, available experienced female teacher of 25. Now better you avoid the word under, because now you are talking about yourself, you know your age. Okay, so experienced female science teacher of 25. Done post graduation plus B.Ed from DU, having command over English. Okay, this way means whatever you have written for situation vacant, same things you are to write over here with bit changes. Clear? Now we come to to let or for rent. When you are giving your house on rent. For third now, and same fourth, accommodation wanted. Means if you want to give your house on rent or you want some house on rent, means if you want a house. Okay, for both the things. First of all, you have started available. Then you are to write about the location. Available where? Available a 2-room house in Rohini, sector 16. Okay, this way. Or available 2-room house in Aurangabad. Means you have to talk about the location. Then, when here, first of all, we have already told you that you are to write adjectives. So, 2-room house, what kind of? Airy houses or park facing. Okay, available airy and park facing 2-room house in Aurangabad. Okay, then put comma. Because you are not to write. Okay, here one more thing. When we are talking about this expression and content, information should be first of all in one paragraph, and that also in words or phrases. Okay, you are not to use full-fledged sentences. So available airy or park facing 2-room flat or 2nd floor, okay, in Aurangabad location. Then though you have already talked about 2-room, but even then you will talk about the room, 2 rooms or 1 room with attached bath, okay, or both the rooms with attached baths. Then we will be talking about kitchen. Okay, it's not that you start with rooms and then you come to the outside area, garden area, parking, and then you say, oh my god, kitchen also I am supposed to write. No, better you learn the hierarchy. First of all, you will be talking about rooms and then kitchen. For kitchen, better you write some word. Don't just write kitchen, because kitchen is always there in the house. So you write modular kitchen. Okay, so modular kitchen. Then hall or dining. There could be one hall. So there is kitchen come dining, or there is big hall come dining. Okay, this also you can give. Then you talk about balcony, because this comes next after rooms. So 2-side balcony or open balcony, okay, or east facing balcony, whatever. So you talk about balcony. And if this is ground floor, suppose your question is about ground floor, then you cannot talk about balcony. Then you can talk about kitchen garden, space for kitchen garden. Okay, next is parking, because these days parking is also very, very important. So you will be talking about parking available for 1 vehicle, okay, or for 1 car. And then water, electricity supply. What kind of supply? 24-hour supply or whatever. Okay, normally we write this only, 24-hour water, electricity backup. Okay, and then what are the places which is at walking distance? Means metro at walking distance, hospital at walking distance, big school at walking distance, whatever. So something you write, okay, or even park at walking distance, whatever. And then in the end, you will be talking about rent. Okay, what rent you are expecting. If you do not know anything, then you write reasonable rent. Okay, so here I think this is the word which everybody can write. Reasonable rent. Whatever house it is, 2 room, 10 room, but reasonable rent. And then contact detail. Same thing, accommodation wanted. When you want a house, so what kind of house you want? So you will say wanted an airy and park facing, okay, 2 room house, preferably ground floor or preferably first floor. Okay, this way. Rooms with attached baths. Means now this is your requirements. Okay, rooms with attached baths and 1 airy big modular kitchen. Okay, preferably servant room you want. So servant room means something extra you can ask for. Okay, then 2-side balcony or airy balcony or whatever. Means whatever you have written for to let or rent, more or less same things you can convert over here for accommodation wanted. Okay, so these points you are to add. Now we come to 5th, bride wanted or matrimonial or groom wanted. Your beginning word is alliance or proposals invited for a beautiful girl, okay, or for educated girl, whatever. So after that you will be writing qualification. Means if you just write educated girl, even then you have to write about education. Alliance invited for an educated Hindu girl or Sikh girl, but religion is not compulsory. Okay, so if you write Hindu girl or if you forget Hindu, no worry. Okay, so alliance invited or proposals invited for one educated Hindu girl. Okay, then you are to talk about age also. What age? Hindu girl of 28. Okay, so age is important. Then qualification. MBA from foreign university. If you do not know the name of any university, MBA from a recognized university, whatever. Okay, then if she is working, okay, then working in MNC, salary 10k, or we can say annum. Okay, 1 lakh, 10 lakh per annum. So this way you can talk about the salary also. Then you will be talking about family background of this person. This is girl or boy. Okay, so father retired from bank, brother in army. This way you are to talk about family background. Even mother, we can say lecturer in DU. This way you can talk about family background. After that you will be telling what you are looking for in the boy for this girl. Okay, doctor preferred or engineer preferred or working in some MNC preferred or foreign settled preferred, whatever. So you have to write something for that. Okay, your preference. And in the end you can write down no caste or caste no bar, or we can say intercaste also allowed, means something if you want to write. And then about marriage also you can write early and decent marriage. Okay, so this way you are to write this matrimonial act. Now we come to lost and found. We have already done this. Lost and found means you have to start with lost or you have to start with found. Found a black briefcase. This much. Now along with this black briefcase you can talk about the make, you can talk about the company, you can talk about the handle, you can talk about something which is engraved on the briefcase. So this all you can tell, whether you have found or whether you have lost. Then where you have lost or where you have found, when you have found, when you have lost, this also you are to tell. If you have lost, then you know what is there in the briefcase, so you will be talking about the things which are there in the briefcase. But if you have found, okay, then you will not talk about what is there in the briefcase. Naturally it is locked. Okay, then do not talk about what is there in the briefcase. And in the end you are to announce a reward for the person who is going to find it for you. So you will be writing finder will be rewarded. Okay, now in the same way we come to next, sale and purchase. This sale and purchase can be even for we can say property also. Okay, for property also sometimes the heading could be sale and purchase, or sale and purchase mostly is for vehicles, second hand vehicles. This you have to remember. Okay, it is not showroom vehicle, we are not talking about it. Okay, because if this is showroom then naturally it will be poster kind of thing, big advertisement, but this is classified advertisement. So here sale and purchase means second hand. So if you want to sell, then we can say then available. You want to sell your car, so available, or you want a car, second hand car. Okay, so this is wanted. Then you have to talk about the detail. You have told about the black car or whatever, but then make of this car, model of the car, color, then interiors or exteriors. Okay, interior of the car or exterior of the car, it can be even bike also. So this is entirely up to you. Then what kilometer it has already run, what average it gives. Okay, all these things you have to give, and in the end price which you are expecting. Okay, naturally you are to purchase a new car if you are selling your car, or if you want, even then you have your budget. Okay, so price also you can talk, and then contact details. Then we come to missing. Here missing can be for a person or missing can for a pet. Okay, so missing a boy since this date, or missing a pet since this date. And then again, first of all, WH questions: where, when, how. Okay, all these possible questions you have to think about, and then you have to write about that. That where you have lost your, from where it is missing. Your brother gone for tuition, didn't come back. Okay, from where he got missing. So all these WH questions you are to give. Then clothing means what clothes he was wearing at that time, or any specific thing. If this is school child, then maybe school bag also, maybe uniform. If this is old person, then maybe having phone in the hand, or maybe hearing aid or specs. Means something you are to give. Okay, so that if this detail is given, then only it is easy for other to look for it. So clothing and other details. In the same way for the dog or for the cat, for your pet, dog collar you can talk about, leash you can talk about what kind of leash, and if the dog is wearing something specific, that also you can talk. Okay, here also you have to announce the reward. Okay, naturally you are searching for this thing, so you have to announce the reward. Finder will be rewarded. Okay, no need to write what reward you have to give, means 5,000, 10,000. If you don't want to write about money, it's okay, but at least you will say that finder will be rewarded. And then last we come to travel and tours. This also, though it is not very common, but even then this can come, that if you have your travel and tour agency, then you will be giving the ad for some summer vacations, we can say packages. So available attractive packages. Now this will entirely up to you. Sometime in the question only it is given that this is summer vacation and your special packages for Goa. So then you will be talking about that only. Otherwise, if in the question nothing is specified, then this will be entirely up to you. So I hope many things are clear. Okay, but you have to practice it, because without practice nothing is clear. Now I think better you take a screenshot. Okay, you take a screenshot so that you can enlarge it and then you can see whatever is not visible otherwise over here. Thank you.